औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 11 and the name of chapter is triangles, quadrilaterals and polygons. This is clear from the chapter name is in this chapter we will study three types of figures. Number 1 triangles, number 2 quadrilaterals and number 3 polygons. Now what is the basic difference between triangles, quadrilaterals and polygons? Triangles means a figure having three sides. Quadrilateral, any figure having four sides, and polygons are those figures which have more than four sides like 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 20, 13 up to so on. It depends upon the requirement that we need to solve the question. Triangles are of different types, quadrilaterals are of different types, and polygons are of different types. Some of them I have drawn on the board like this. First one is equilateral triangle, then right angle triangle, then scaling triangle. Quadrilateral, square, rectangle, diamond, other shapes are rhombus, parallelogram, cone, like this. And polygons are hexagon means having 6 sides, heptagon having 7 sides, octagon having 8 sides. Remaining are pentagon, nonagon, decagon. These are all types of polygons. Now today's our topic is to distinguish triangle and its different types. Let's move on. Triangle means a figure having three sides. If the figure has three sides, this means that this figure has three interior angles. A, B, and C are vertices of this triangle. This is side AB, this is side BC, and this is side CA. Angle X, angle Y, angle Z. According to mathematics, the sum of all interior angles of a triangle, sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is understood value. ट्रायंगल किसी भी टाइप लो उसके इंटीरियर एंगल का जो सम है अंडरस्टूड है बट 80 ही आएगा. लाइक इफ आई ऐड ऑल दिस थ्री एंगल्स लाइक x डिग्री प्लस y डिग्री प्लस z डिग्री इक्वल्स टू 180 degree. Now on the basis of sides and angles, a triangle is classified into different types. Three of them are on the basis of its sides and three of them are on the basis of its angles. Further classification into two parts. One on the basis of angles and other on the basis of sides. On the basis of angles, a triangle is further classified into three types. Number 1, acute angle triangle. Number 2, right angle triangle. And number 3 is obtuse angle triangle. Now on the basis of sides, Further division into three parts. Number one is equilateral triangle. Then number two is right angle. Isosceles triangle. And number three is scalene triangle. These are the 6 types of triangle. 3 of them are on the basis of its sides. And 3 of them are on the basis of its angles. Acute angle triangle. This is a type of triangle in which all of 3 interior angles are less than 90. All angles less than 90 degree. A triangle which have all of its angles less than 90 degree is called an acute angle triangle. Then right angle triangle. A triangle in which at least one of its interior angle is equal to 90 degree. ऐसे triangle जिसके अंदर at least एक right angle मौजूद हो, 90 डिग्री के एंगल मौजूद हो, उसे हम कहते हैं right angle triangle. Next, obtuse triangle. A triangle in which one angle at least greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Once again, the difference between all of 3 angle triangles on the basis of its angle is acute, having all angles less than 90, right angle having at least one angle equal to 90, and obtuse angle having at least one angle which is greater than 90 is called obtuse angle triangle. Now, on the basis of sides, first one is equilateral triangle. Having all sides equal. A triangle in which all 3 sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. Having any 2 equal sides. A triangle in which at least 2 sides of triangle are equal is called isosceles triangle, and the scalene triangle is in which all sides are unequal. This is the basic difference between the triangle types which are classified on the basis of their angles and sides. Equilateral triangle in which all sides are equal, isosceles triangle in which 2 sides are equal, and scalene triangle in which all sides are unequal. Now let's see the shapes of all of these 6 sides. On the behalf of sides and angles. First one was acute angle triangle in which all angles are less than 90. You can see that the blue lines are angles, and these all three angles are less than 90. This is acute angle triangle. Then right angle. Having at least one angle equal to 90 degree. This square box means this is a right angle triangle. And the last one is obtuse triangle. This angle is greater than 90. So due to this presence of this angle, the triangle type is changed, which is obtuse. All angles are less than 90. One angle equals to 90 and one angle is greater than 90. Now on the behalf of sides, first one was equilateral, in which all sides are equal. These blue lines are sides. Now isosceles having two equal sides and scalene in which all sides are unequal. This is the graphical description and difference between the shapes of all types of triangle on the behalf of their angles and sides. Concept of introduction of questions. Now, as you know that each triangle has three interior angles. For each interior angle, there is an exterior angle. For X, exterior angle is A. For Y, exterior angle is B. And for C, exterior angle is C. Now, sum of an interior angle and exterior angle equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior and its corresponding exterior is equal to 180 degree. The next term is exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite two interior angles. Means for y its exterior angle is A. Exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite two interior angles. This is exterior and its two opposite are x and z. According to statement, A equals to sum of x plus z. Similarly, for B, which is y plus z, and for C, x plus y. Now let's take the example about the statements we have studied today. We have to find out the third angle of the given triangle. According to statement, x plus 45 degree plus 60 degree equals to 180, x plus 105 degree equals to 180, x equals to 180 minus 105, x equals to 75 degree. This is if the two angles interior are given and you have to find out the third interior angle. All the three interior angles are given and we have to find out the corresponding exteriors of all. According to our statement, x plus 70 equals to 180 because sum of interior and its opposite corresponding exterior equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 minus 70 degree. X equals to 110 degree. For next, y plus 20 equals to 180. Y equals to 180 minus 20. Y equals to 160 degree. And the last one is z plus 45 equals to 180. Z equals to 180 minus 45. Z equals to 135 degree. This is how to find out the exterior angles when their corresponding interiors are given. The last one is how to find out exterior angle if corresponding opposite interior angles are given. We have to find out exterior angle x. According to statement, exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. So x equals to 50 plus 60 degree, 110 degree. So students, today's our lecture is only introductory lecture. In the next lecture, we will start our exercise 11A. Now, if you guys have any problem, kindly please raise your hand.